Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself spending way too much time editing transactions one by one in QuickBooks Online, today's video is going to save you a ton of effort. I'm going to walk you through how to batch edit transactions in QuickBooks Online using two powerful tools that can help you clean up your books quickly and accurately. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the Reclassify tool. This option is available if you're using QuickBooks Online Accountant or QuickBooks Online Advanced. It's perfect for situations where you need to change multiple transactions at once, like moving them to a different account or assigning a new class or location. Here's how it works. Open your QuickBooks Online company and go to Accountant Tools. From there, select Reclassify Transactions. You'll see a list of transactions. Use the filters to narrow down the ones you want to edit. Once you've selected them, choose whether you want to change the account, class, or location. Pick the new option you'd like to apply, click Apply, and just like that, QuickBooks updates all of them at the same time. It's fast, simple, and avoids the headache of going transaction by transaction. Now, if you're on QuickBooks Online Advanced, you also get access to the Batch Transactions tool, which is even more powerful. Unlike the Reclassify tool, this one allows you to not only modify, but also create or delete transactions in bulk. Here's what you can do with it. From the left-hand menu, click the plus new button and choose Batch Transactions. Pick the type of transaction you want to work with, like invoices or expenses. If you're modifying, just check the boxes next to the transactions you want to change, then select Edit and make your updates all at once. If you're creating new transactions, you can either enter them manually or even import a whole list from a CSV file. And if you need to delete multiple transactions, simply filter the list, select them, and hit Delete. This tool is a game changer for businesses that handle a high volume of invoices, receipts, or bills. It saves you clicks, time, and reduces the chance of missing something important. So, whether you're Shaka reclassifying categories with the accountant tools or taking advantage of the full batch transactions feature in QuickBooks Online Advanced, these methods will help you manage your books much more efficiently. And that's it. Now you know how to batch edit transactions in QuickBooks Online without all the manual work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.